Lot number S106 is a 1969 Oldsmobile 442 W30 convertible, one of only 91 made with a 4-speed, and it has a 400 V8 with 360 horsepower, and it sold Saturday, June 6th for $126,500. And I'll read off the Mecum website, some of the highlights of it. And it's one of 121 W30 convertibles for 1969, of which only 91 were equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. Body off rotisserie restored to Concours standards, completed in 2019. Rebuilt 400 cubic inch ramrod V8 engine, rated at 360 horsepower and 440 foot-pounds of torque. Correct D high-performance cylinder heads. Correct W and Z exhaust manifolds. Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. 12-bolt anti-spin rear end with upgraded W27 aluminum differential cover. W30 specific forced air induction system with low-mounted intake scoops and dual snorkel air cleaner. W30 specific lightweight red plastic front inner fender liners. Finished in its rare factory colors of code 61 sable poly with gold stripes. Power assisted black convertible top. Restored interior in code 934 medium gold. Restored trunk with full-size spare. Built at the Lansing, Michigan plant on April 18, 1969. Sold new at Parkwood Central Oldsmobile in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. GM of Canada paperwork included. Restoration photos included. Engine rebuild invoice included. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.